Okay, welcome to today's free market analysis and trading video for the MiniAnalyst.com. I'm Kenny, your host, Senior Research Analyst. First thing we're looking at here is a chart of our dynamics. These are our indicators, our proprietary indicators right here. And in terms of price, on an intraday basis at least, we're looking at a gap higher. Very shallow pullback, if any, and already putting in a triple top. So what we're getting is consolidation and coiling action. If we go, we're probably going to go. So we would definitely be buyers over the high of the day today is 787.50. So you definitely want to be buying over 788 for a move, probably to 792, maybe even 800. Of course, that's just a little bit of optimism flowing there. What's going to happen here? I mean, why are we looking to move higher? Well, first thing we see is look at this screen. Look at this screen right here. That's pretty impressive. That's bullish. Moderate green here, so no problems there. Little bit of concern here. This is pretty moderate. Even we would say less than bullish, given this particular divergence, new high in price, and this over here significant. This signified obviously the move higher today and the fall through move there, but definitely a divergence here. So this is a bit of a concern, but we're fully bullish here. So overwhelmingly bullish in terms of our indicators. The market's up, so if we get a move higher above today's intraday high out to new highs, then you definitely want to be buying the market and participating in an acceleration move. Having said that, we are still officially bearish. We did a couple of short-term plays on the bullish side, and we'll go over and switch over to those right there. And we mentioned this fib 62 mark is 1450, got down to 1440, and 1450 was our second target, so you definitely want to be buying here, particularly given the confluence of that along with the 62 fib mark. Got a short-term play from 1450 up to 1480, but as we stand, this is where we're officially bearish from. So as we stand, you definitely want to be selling the market from a daily perspective at just adding up to the shorts. Having said that, we could get a short-term pop up to around 1490, which is the be-all, end-all of horizontal price technical support resistance. We see this move higher here, move lower there, break, retest, break lower, come back up. Right, it's all around 1490. So look at this right here. 1490 is the key level. Having said that, that's from a horizontal perspective. From a trend following perspective, 1480 is the key sell level. So definitely want to be adding to short positions on this move. The fib 50, fib 62 in terms of retracement, those are key sell levels in the confluence of the 1490 level with the 62. You definitely want to be selling here if we do get a short-term momentum pop right here, as we mentioned on the intraday basis. Going ahead and switching back over. You really have to be sellers here until we get back over 87.50, 85.50. You've got a triple top here. Although we do have these bullish indications from a price technical perspective, you would be selling from 85 at least, maybe for a short-term pop down to the low of 80, let's say 82.50. We'll call it 3 points, and probably a move down to 76 if things get kind of hairy for the end of the day. Here in the closing hours of the week. So, where have we been for the week? Well, I tell you, it's been a great week, and it's been a particularly good week for our swinger DT players. That's probably our most favorite portfolio because what we do is risk speculation. We seek extraordinarily high returns, but we do take on additional risk. And although we do have well-balanced and diversified portfolios and slightly more conservative in relative terms portfolios, the Swinger DT is our venerable Swinger DT and one of our favorites. So we'll go ahead and switch over to that and show you guys where we've been over the last week. We'll pull that up right there. And Swinger DT as of, let's see, 10:20 Eastern time this morning. Took a snapshot of it and was up $5,307 today. So a particularly impressive gain, probably our best gain of the week, of the Friday to Friday week that we're referencing. And first thing we notice is right here a gain of 58.6% for the portfolio. So this is a $30,000 portfolio, very well diversified. I believe 11 lots across maybe 8 to 10 systems. I'd have to check, but very diversified, non-correlated trading models to provide a very well balanced yet aggressive portfolio. And of course, this one does have probably the most risk in percentage terms. 40%, 50% has been seen in this portfolio, but when you can gain 4 to 500% per year and 58.6% in just a week, it's definitely a portfolio you want to be participating in if you have $30,000 in risk capital and are interested in our portfolios. We highly recommend this one. At 58.6%. Actually, we were just looking, didn't make anything the first 2 weeks. The portfolio actually stands up, I believe, 18,500 for the month of December, and of course that's on top of the $18,000 gain, I believe, December. For the month of November, I believe we made about $18,000 as well. So could be on our way to a banner month. Now this is definitely time to get started. November to April is historically the most favorable time to be trading, and as you can see, as evidenced in our numbers, let's go ahead and just move over here to the actual Swinger DT. Still on special, $1,500 for 3 months is the Swinger DT, and we'll go ahead and pull that up for you. And that has November almost $18,000, so this was an opportune time to invest. But as you can see, when you get these strong months, you're still going to make $10,000 probably on average the next month. So we're already besting that at an $18,000 gain, so definitely probably going to be a banner month. Don't see it ending anytime soon, particularly given the last week of December and the first week of January. You definitely want to be participating in some of our portfolios during that time. It's particularly a favorable time of the year as we have the year-end window dressing and portfolio adjustments. You can really get some very tradable moves. So $1,500 for 3 months, 11 lots. It is by 11 systems. I said 8 to 10, but it is a full 11 systems, so very well diversified and particularly impressive with a gain of 17.7% just this morning. Now, whether we hold on to those gains, the portfolio is predominantly long. If we break out above, as we sometimes do when we're up in the Swinger DT portfolio, it'll be a very nice day and perhaps another 30% day for the Swinger DT. So where have we been? Well, there's the 58.6%. This is the standout, the Swinger DT, over the last week. Where have we been? Matt Black's up 13%. Delta 20, about a 15% average gain for our portfolios. Delta DT, 19.4%. And we get down to our smaller portfolios. Here's a 32% gain for our MAP DT version 2.0. For our day traders, this is our favorite portfolio. The MAP DT version 2.0, the Delta DT would be a close second, but in terms of capital and performance, again, 32.8% in a Friday to Friday week. And there you have it. So if you guys are interested in seeing these numbers, we'll probably include them in the email for this video. Or if you have any questions, feel free to go to the website, chat with the support team through live chat, or send an email with any questions you might have to admin@MiniAnalyst.com. Hope you guys are having a great holiday season, and Merry Christmas. Hope you guys get interested in some of these portfolios, get signed up before the end of the year so we can go ahead and get you started auto trading with full automation. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us.